Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. I wanted to introduce you to this new product that launched 2 days ago from Hero Cosmetics. This is their Rescue Balm plus Red Correct. So if you have heard of their Rescue Balm before, I absolutely love their original Rescue Balm. It's like a cream that helps with post blemishes. So you apply it to like a popped or freshly patched blemish. And when I say freshly patched, I mean like they have their pimple patches. So after you remove it, if you apply their Rescue Balm, it really helps with moisturizing the skin, but also preventing there from being as much of a mark left over, which I absolutely love because I am somebody who just deals with. So today I actually used this to kind of like try to mask the redness from my hyperpigmentation, which if I get up close, you can see that hyperpigmentation. But like, I feel like my skin is looking so good, and especially when I use this, it really helps with kind of getting rid of the redness a little. I feel like it almost looks like I put like a tinted sunscreen on or some kind of concealer or something, because I feel like my marks are normally a little bit more red. They definitely have healed a lot. My hyperpigmentation is getting better, taking time, but it's getting better. So that's exciting. But I feel like this is really helping. This is one like, it's almost like a cut right now. It's a healing blemish. I really shouldn't be touching it like that, but I'm just gonna show you what this is like applying it. So it's like a green cream. As you can see, it has a bit of a tint. I'll also apply it like where I have these marks. I almost like basically apply this as if it were a moisturizer. You can really just focus. You can just like target this on certain spots, but as you can see, I probably applied way too much, but that's why I ended up using it almost like a moisturizer, because I just kind of spread it out. But it's gonna really help to correct redness. It's awesome. It almost is like it turns into like a concealer, or it's just a really nice like color correcting cream, but also at the same time, it's also helping to moisturize post blemishes and also help them or prevent them from having as much of a leftover mark, or also helping to reduce the appearance of the mark quicker than it normally would go away. So it's really nice. And see, as you can see, hopefully you guys can tell, like I feel like it just really looks like it helps to get rid of some of that redness. Even though I already had this applied from earlier, you can still see it kind of doing its thing. So basically, if you haven't tried the original version before, if you are interested in maybe trying them but don't know which one to try, so basically I feel like it is. So this one is really good for like in the morning, because you're wanting to get rid of some of the redness normally. And then the original one is just like a cream, so it's not gonna be getting rid of redness. So that one's really good to use at nighttime, and that is what they say. So yeah, and if you are curious about the price of this, so this retails for $12.99, and you guys can always get 15% off of anything from Hero Cosmetics with the code Routine Beauty. I do have that code and the link to their website in my bio. If you guys did want to get 15% off, you guys can find it there if you want. No pressure, but it's there if you guys want it.